Okay, this is our brand new 2020 Honda Pilot. It's probably has about 700 kilometers on it. We didn't know what had happened, but she'd taken the door, lifted the door up, and then brought the door down, and as a result, it ripped up the antenna. Didn't cause any other damage. But the antenna was lifted off of the roof, and obviously it had to be fixed, otherwise you're going to have water getting inside the vehicle. Well, anyways, I've got it off here to try and do the reinstallation. To give you an idea, because it's a little different than the other YouTube videos that I've watched. We broke a piece off here of this little clip. Right in there. We broke that off, so we glued it back on, and now I'm just kind of drying it here with a little cool in the garage. I might turn the heat up. Anyways, we'll have a quick look inside here. It's like you gotta be very careful bending this down. So if you look, see that hole there? That's where I go. It's right up in there. And that's a plug-in, one of the plug-ins I have to put back in. There are two more that are right up under here. I have to make a flashlight. It's got these little clips in here. There's one way back up over. Way back up over in there. Now you see the hole. I'm trying to get a light in there. You can see the one clip, and there's another one further down. So I used a long-handled screwdriver, and I was able to get the top piece first, get it going through, and then I pushed the bottom tab up, and I was able to pull the wire down and disconnect it. The wiring is very, once you're able to undo it, it's easy, but not knowing what you're looking at, it's difficult. So, anyways, hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna, now the roof was pulled up quite a bit, so I had to push it down. So I'm just gonna feed these wires back in here. I'll keep my hands out of the way. You can see what's going on. Yep. And yep. Just drop that down. It's tight. Oh, there we go. Okay, that looks like it's gonna go in there okay. So it was sticking up and flopping around before. I could, flop it around. So that looks like it's gonna sit okay there now. Maybe turn it. No, that's good enough. I'm not gonna mess with that. Straight enough. Okay, that part done. I'm an old guy, so I'm half blind. I've got myself a readers on here. Now, I'm gonna find my wires. There's one, there's two, there's another one there, right there. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll do the wires first, get them out of the way, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty. Right. I'm not gonna lie to you. That was, you can just see it right there. Right at the top of the screen. That was a bit of work, you know, feeding that little bolt into there. And it took me a couple tries, but it's in there. Now I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to use my small ratchet, 8mm. I have my wires all put back together, back in. I'm ready to put the clips back in to hold the headliner up. There's one. All right. And there's two. Okay, now the only thing I have left to do is put the back piece on here. I'm just going to take a bit of work here, I think. Okay, so first off, I'm going to want to feed this seat belt back in through here. Kind of turn it sideways a little bit. Get that through first. Pull it down. Bend it, fit it through. Good. Now I have a clip here missing. There we go. All the rest of my clips are in place. Gotta hook up the light. There we go. Now, let's see how this works. There's one. So far, so good. That. No, still not. This one here still not in there yet. Not lined up right. I guess I should have put those in first. All right. I didn't have these lined up right. There. Get those in first. I'm gonna fix the rubber here. Careful not to mess it up. Now we're done. So let me get this back together again. There. Yeah, almost as good as new. Let's see what we got here now. Flashlight up. know, I don't want to put a bead of silicone around that. Anyways, that's it.